Here's what Rumi wrote: "The wound is the place where the light enters you. When contemplating the Virgin Mary's apparitions, this thought echoes." Her appearances are seen as divine light piercing through the veils of our worldly understanding, offering reassurance and guidance. Mary, revered as a spiritual mother, is said to reveal truths that transform the human soul. Her messages resonate as timeless calls for peace, love, and faith. What deeply signifies Mary's apparition is the profound call for peace and conversion. Her messages repeatedly encourage humanity to seek spiritual renewal. Virgin Mary's appearances often bring comfort, urging us to embrace compassion over chaos. Her ethereal presence is a reminder of the divine's closeness, guiding us towards a path of enlightenment and internal transformation. The core wisdom within these apparitions is a pursuit of inner peace that resonates today. Hidden in this ancient verse is Mary's enduring connection to the vulnerable. Her apparitions frequently occur during times of crisis, transforming fear into hope. Modern life, filled with uncertainty, can draw strength from her messages. These events have historically united communities, revitalizing faith amidst adversity. Virgin Mary's teachings are a profound reminder to hold steadfast, cherish unity, and continue towards a brighter, collective future. When you truly understand Virgin Mary's messages, a transformative insight unfolds. Her legacy is not just in miraculous apparitions, but in the enduring call to love selflessly and act righteously. Reflecting on her messages invites us to silent meditation and meaningful actions. Mary's wisdom is a legacy of hope and compassion, inviting everyone to spiritually awaken and embrace a life of genuine purpose.